So we have given in a group of 30 soldiers have enough food for 40 days. How many soldiers should leave the group so that the food is enough for 100 days? So here is the relation between number of soldiers and number of days. So we have 30 soldiers have enough food for 40 days. In second condition, how many soldiers should leave? So already we have 30 soldiers and suppose X soldiers leave so that the food is enough for 100 days. So here number of soldiers and days are in indirect relation. So here is the indirect relation between the number of soldiers and days. So we can write 30 minus x by 30 is equals 40 by 100. So in case of indirect relation, we can change these terms. So it is 30 minus x is equals 40 by 100. This 30 in divide move in opposite side, it becomes multiply. So now it is 0 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. So 30 minus x is equals, so 4 times 3 mean it is 12. So here we have 30, this 12 in plus move in this side becomes minus, and this x in minus move in opposite side, it becomes plus. So x is equals 30 minus 12, it means it is 18. So 18 soldiers should leave the camp so that the food is enough for 100 days. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.